Hi, thanks for joining us. I'm your host, Marissa Monroy. The races for Austin mayor and 3 city council spots are still undecided. Austin voters will take to the polls again on Tuesday, December 13th for a runoff election. The City of Austin and the city's Ethics Review Commission will sponsor a live candidate forum for the mayor and city council districts 3, 5, and 9 runoff elections on Wednesday, November 30th. The forums begin at 6 p.m. and can be viewed in person at City Hall Council chambers, or you can tune in online, on air, or by telephone. Early voting takes place December 1st through December 9th, and Election Day is Tuesday, December 13th. Polls are open Monday through Saturday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. and from noon to 6 p.m. on Sunday. As long as you are in line before the polls closing time, you will be able to vote. For more information, visit austintexas.gov/candidate forums. The City of Austin recognized its veteran employees at its annual Veterans Appreciation Luncheon. The city values its veteran employees and is honored to be able to host this event every year to celebrate them not only for their past military service to our country, but to show our appreciation for their dedication to our organization.
Really great to see all the people come out and have an opportunity to see each other as veterans and for the city to express its appreciation for its veterans. In fact, I am a Navy veteran. Served 22 years as a Navy submarine officer.
More than 1,600 of our current city employees are military veterans. 1,600. I'm so proud that the number of veteran employees is continuing to grow through our various outreach efforts, partnerships with other entities, and our veterans' preference in the city's hiring process.
The city really values the employees that we get who are veterans. Veterans bring such an important skill set, experience, and the ability to operate under stress, something that we really value in the normal day-to-day routine.
Well, it's great that the city goes to the lengths they do to appreciate what our veterans have done and the veterans that work for the city. So it's great just to get together, all the veterans get together, the city show their appreciation, and spend a little time together having lunch.
And so I'm really looking forward to having veterans apply and for us to help them in that journey to become a city employee.
If you are a veteran or know a veteran, please encourage them to apply for the many great jobs available at the City of Austin. Visit austincityjobs.org today for more information about current job openings. Austin Public Health held a ceremonial groundbreaking of its new Dove Springs Public Health Facility. Funded by the 2018 bond, this 2-story facility will house a full-service neighborhood center, food pantry, WIC clinic, immunization clinic, a high-quality child care center that will serve up to 75 children, and a community hall with a demonstration kitchen. And if that's not enough, there will also be trail connection improvements in the area to the park and soccer fields.
This is a testament to what can be accomplished when the city is really intentional about partnering with community.
Please be patient if you have to deal with the ongoing construction beginning in early 2023. Did you know that the city's preservation plan is over 40 years old? Austin is in the process of replacing the city's 1981 preservation plan with a more inclusive and equitable plan. The new plan will include tools to recognize and preserve places that are important to all community members. The City of Austin's Municipal Court Department recently celebrated the statewide Municipal Court Week, which honors their court staff and services to the community. During this celebration, the court hosted many fun and educational activities for the community, including mock trials for local middle school students, a class on teen driving safety, traffic safety tables, and appreciation events. Visitors were also able to tour the court facility, which included beautiful murals in the courtrooms created by local artists. Austin City Manager Spencer Cronk and Mayor Steve Adler presented the department with a few proclamations and honored former Deputy Court Clerk Yolanda McKnight for her great work on the court's recent relocation, ensuring the community has a well-designed and functional court building for many years to come. That's it for this week's City View. Thank you for watching, Austin. Be sure to catch up on all of the latest information on atxn.tv, our social media channels, and on our city webpage, austintexas.gov. Stay well, Austin.